Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Can you hear me?
Ji sir.
Can hear you, alhamdulillah.
Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This morning we have learned about the noun ending and about the mudaf with the proper noun. Mudaf with a proper noun. The lesson we are learning, it is all about the mudaf and mudaf ilayh with the proper noun and with the pronouns also. So now I explain to you about the pronouns. When there is a pronoun, then how it will be mudaf ilayh and how it will be majroor. There are two kinds of the pronoun. In Arabic, there are two kinds of the pronouns. Detached pronoun, we call it separate pronoun also. They are also separate pronouns. You can say it detached pronoun. You can say them detached or separate pronouns. ضميرمنفصل. ضميرمنفصل. For the third person, in Arabic, for third person, we use ghaib. In Arabic, we say ghaib. Masculine, for third person, masculine singular. Third person, masculine singular, he or it. We use huwa. For he and it, we use huwa. And for dual, masculine. For dual masculine means they too. We use huma. These are the pronouns. And for plural masculine, third person, they, we use hum. And for the feminine, third person, she or it, we use hiya. And for feminine dual, we use huma. Dual is same for the masculine and the feminine. Dual is same for masculine and feminine. And for the feminine plural, we use hunna. For masculine plural, we use hum. And for feminine plural, we use hunna. Anta. Anta, second person masculine. We use, for second person, we use mukhatib. In Arabic, we say mukhatib. Mukhatib, muzakkar, mufrad. Second person, masculine, singular, you. We use anta. Anta means you. For dual, for two of you, we use antuma. And for second person plural, masculine, we use antum. Antum means you plural. In Arabic, plural is more than two. In Arabic, plural is more than two. And for the second person, feminine singular. For second person, feminine singular, you. We use anti. For masculine, anta. For feminine, anti. And for feminine dual, you. Antuma. Dual here is also same. For mukhatib and for ghaib. For second person and for the third person, dual is same for the muzakkar and muannas. For masculine and feminine. And first person, we call it mutakallim. In Arabic, first person, we call it mutakallim. For masculine and feminine, For masculine and feminine singular I. For both we use ana. First person either masculine or feminine, we use ana. And if the plural, then we use nahnu. Ana and nahnu we use for male and female. We use for masculine and feminine. And this is the form huwa, he, huma, they two, whom, they, more than two, hiya, she, huma, they two female, hunna, they plural females, anta, you male, antuma, you two males, antum, you more than two males, you plurals. For feminine anti, for feminine dual antuma, and for feminine plural second person antunna, you all, ana, I, nahnu, we, for both male and female, for both. Now we learn about the detached or separate pronouns. Separate pronouns or detached pronouns or ضميرمنفصل are never attached with any other word. Huwa we cannot attach with any other word. Huwa will always be separate. We will write it separate and we will pronounce it separate. Separate pronouns, that's why we call them separate pronouns. They can never write with other words. And they are always morpha, definite. They are the definite. They are always definite. Then are marfuun, they are in nominative case. They are in nominative case. Marfuun. Even though most of them don't have a dhamma. In morning lesson, we have learned that the sign of the marfu is dhamma. But the pronouns, detached pronouns, even though they don't have dhamma, huma no dhamma, huwa no dhamma at the ending no dhamma, but they are marfu. Even though they don't have dhamma ending, but they are the marfu. They are in nominative case. They are the subject. Then they are fixed in their cases. They are fixed in their cases. They are mabni. They are fixed in their cases. Their ending doesn't change. Huwa will always huwa. Huwa cannot be huwa. We cannot say it huwi. It will never be huwi. It will always be huwa. And this huma, it will never take kasra. They never change their ending. Their ending will never change. The third is fixed nouns in Arabic called mabni. They are mabni, they are fixed. We call it mabni. We can say it constant, or we can call it fixed nouns. So they are fixed nouns. They are fixed pronouns. They never change. Now we learn about the attached pronouns. Which pronouns can attach? Kitabu Muhammadin, Muhammad's book. Kitabu is mudaf, Muhammadin is mudaf ilay. Kitabuhu, his book. If we say his book, then kitabu and hu, it will be his book. Kitabuhu, it will be in this form. Kitabu is mudaf and hu is mudaf ilayh. Who is attached pronoun. This is we can attach with the other nouns. Who attached pronouns, it can attach to the other nouns. Kitabuhu, and this will be the form. It will be like this, kitabuhu. Kitabuka. Kitabu ka. Your book. Kitabu is mudaf, ka is mudaf ilayh. Who is mudaf ilayh, but it is not changing its case. It is not taking kasra. And ka is also mudaf ilayh. Ka mean yours. Ka is also mudaf ilayh here. Even it is mudaf ilayh and it is majroor. It is majroor, but it will never change its ending. It will be kitabuka in this form. Attached pronouns and attached pronoun ضمير متصل when attached to a noun. When they will attach with the noun. When they will attach with the noun is always mudaf ilayh. Like here. Who is attached with the noun kitabu, so who is mudaf ilayh? Ka is attached with the kitab, so ka is mudaf ilayh. Attached pronouns, when they will attach with an other noun, they will be in the position of the mudaf ilayh. And the noun it is attached to is mudaf. Here we attach ka with the kitab, so kitab is mudaf. The attached pronouns in this case is always majroor. This ka and who, they are majroor here. They are majroor. But they never change their ending. They never change their ending. Learn more about the attached pronouns. Huwa. Huwa is a separate pronoun. Huwa means he. And attached pronoun of huwa is who. Huwa mean he and who mean his. Huma, they two. Huma, they two. And its attached pronoun is huma. And for plural, they all. Whom, separate pronoun and attached pronoun, they are the same. Humma and whom. For separate pronoun and for the attached pronouns, they are the same. Then hiya is a separate pronoun. Hiya means she or it. The attached pronoun of hiya is ha. Kitabu ha, her book. It means her. Who mean his, ha mean her. And huma mean they, their. Huma mean their. This huma mean they and this huma mean their too. And hunna is plural for the feminine, third person. Hunna, they all, they plural. And its attached pronoun is also same hunna. Anta, attached pronoun of anta is ka. And attached pronoun of antuma, antuma means they. Antuma, you too. Antuma, you too. Attached pronoun is kuma. And antum, you, masculine plural. Antum, its attached pronoun is kum. And for feminine singular, anti. And its attached pronoun is ki with kasra. Antuma, its attached pronoun is kuma. And antunna, its attached pronoun is kunna. Feminine, second person plural. You all, you feminine plural. For ana, ana ye, kitabi, nahnu, kitabuna, our book. Kitabi, my book, nahnu, kitabuna, our book. So na mean our, ye mean my or mine. This is a comparison. Huwa, who. Huma, huma. Hum, hiya, ha. Humma, huma. Hunna, hunna. Anta, anta. So this is a comparison. What is the difference between them? ضمير منفصل, always definite. They are always definite. Marfa or mabni. They are mabni, fixed. And they are marfu, nominative case. There are 3 points to note. Attached or separate pronouns, ضمير منفصل, they are always definite. Marfa, they are fixed, they never change their ending. And they are always marfu in a nominative case, means they are always subject or file. Now we learn about the attached pronoun, ضمير متصل. They are also definite. They are also definite. Ma'rifatun. They are also mabni. They are also mabni. They are also fixed. Their ending never change. Their ending never change. Always majroor. They are always majroor or mansoob. Difference is here. A separate pronoun, they are in nominative case marfu, but this attached pronoun, they are always majroor, genitive, or mansoob, accusative case. They can attach to a noun. They can attach to a noun, verb, or a particle. So attached pronoun, we can attach with a noun. We can attach to a noun. We can attach with a verb, and we can attach with a particle. This ya is called ya mutakallam. This ya is called ya mutakallam. Ya of the first person. Ya of first person singular. Ya mutakallam. When they are the mudaf. This is when they are the mudaf. Kitabu. Huwa. Who. His. Huma. There. Whom. There two. There more than two. Ha, her. Humma, there. Hunna, there. So these are, you note here. Kitabuhu. Kitabu is mudaf. Kitabu is mudaf, and who is mudaf ilay. Who in the kitabu is mudaf ilay. And it is majroor here. This who is majroor here in a genitive case because it is mudaf ilay. But because it is mabni, it is constant, it is fixed, so it never change its ending. Kitabuhu, his book. Kitabuhuma, their books. Kitabuhum, their plural books. And same like the sayaratun. Sayaratuhu, his car. Sayaratuhuma, their two persons' car. Sayaratuhum, their cars, their plural. Same with here. Kitabuha, her book. Sayaratuha, her car. Kitabuhuma, their book, feminine. Feminine. Kitabuhuma, their book. Sayaratuhuma, their book. Kitabuhunna, their feminine book, plural. Sayaratuhunna, their feminine plural cars. Same with the second person. Anta kitabuka, your book. Kitabukuma, your two books. Your meant kitabukuma for two. Kitabukum for plural, your book. Kitabuki for feminine, kitabuki. For dual feminine, kitabukuma. Kitabukunna, you feminine plural. Kitabi, sayarati. This is ya mutakallam. The last letter of mudaf gets a kasra. Actually, this is kitabu. You see here kitabu, 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 or you see here kitabu. But here is kitabi. What is the reason why it is kitabi? The last letter of the mudaf gets a kasra when attached to a ya mutakallam. When a noun is attached with a ya mutakallam, so it will take a kasra. A dhamma on the last letter would have made the pronunciation difficult. If kitabuhi, then kitabuhi we cannot pronounce with the this silent ya mutakallam. That's why we give here kasra, kitabi. If we give here fatah, then we cannot pronounce it. Kitabuna, other all the same. With the abu. Abu and akhu, they are the special noun. Abu and akhu, they are the special noun. When they are mudaf, they take an extra vowel. Akhuhu, akhun, brother. Abun, father. Akhuhu, his brother. Abuhu, his father. So when there are these two special nouns, they are mudaf. We add an extra vowel between mudaf and mudaf ilayh. We add an extra vowel with the mudaf. So this is an extra vowel. Notice the extra vowel between mudaf and mudaf ilayh. By same token, Muhammad's father will be Abu Muhammadin. With the pronouns, it is Abuhu, and if there is a proper noun Muhammadin, it will be Abu Muhammadin. Abun and Akhun are two of the 5 special nouns. There are 5 special nouns. Abun and Akhun are 2 of them, which take this vowel. Only these 5 nouns take an extra vowel. And they take only extra vowel when they are mudaf. When they are mudaf, then they take an extra vowel. Akhi and abi. The rule of extra vowel doesn't apply when these nouns followed by ya mutakallam. If akhun and abun, they are mudaf with ya mutakallam, with first person ana, ye, then we don't add an extra vowel. Akhi, abi, here is no extra vowel. Except first person singular, we don't add extra vowel. The other all pronouns we add an extra vowel. Akhuna, abuna. Okay. So now we go to our lesson here. We start here from here. Ha zabnu wa'ilin. Ha zabnu wa'ilin. This is son of Wa'il. Here ibnu is mudaf. Here ibnu is mudaf. Son of Wa'il, and Wa'ilin is mudaf ilayh. This is son of Wa'il. Hazi hibnatu Husamin. Ibnatu is mudaf and Husamin is mudaf ilayh. This is mudaf and mudaf ilayh with the proper noun. Wa'ilun Husamin, Jamalin, they are all the proper nouns. Hazi Hibnatu Husamin, this is Husam's daughter. Ana Walidu Jamalin, I am father of Jamal. Father is Mudaf. Jamal is Mudaf ilay. Walidu Jamalin, father of Jamal. I am father of Jamal. Hiya ukhtu Zuhairin. She is ukhtu, sister. Zuhairin, she is sister of Zuhair. She is Zuhair's sister. Ukhtu is Mudaf and Zuhairin is Mudaf ilay. Hazabnu Salma. This is son of Salma. Son of Salma. Son is Mudaf. Salma is Mudaf ilay. And Mudaf ilay, and it is Mamnu min as-sarf diptot. So they don't change its position. Salma, when it is Mudaf, it will be Salma. So same like this Salwa. Haza Zawju Salwa. This is husband of Salwa. So Zawju is Mudaf, Salwa is Mudaf ilay. Ukhtu ki. Ukhtu ki. Ukhtu is Mudaf and ki is Mudaf ilay. Her sister. Ukhtu ki, her sister. Now it is attached pronoun. Ki is a attached pronoun for second person feminine singular. Hazi ukhtu ki. This is your sister. This is your sister. Kaifa walidatu ki. Walidatu mother. Walidatu ka. Walidatu is mudaf and ka is mudaf ilay. Kaifa walidatu ka. How is your mother? Walidatu mother. How is your mother? Hazihi ailatu mudarrisi. Ailatu is mudaf. Mudarrisi is here is two mudaf and mudaf ilay. Ailatu. Ailatu. This is mudaf. Ailatu mudarris. Ailatu mudarris. Mudarrisi. Mudarrisi, my teacher. Mudarrisi, my teacher. So mudarris is mudaf ilay for Aila. And mudarris is mudaf for ye, for me. This is my teacher's family. This is my teacher's family. Tilka ailatu khalati mahirin. This is also two mudaf and mudaf ilay. Khalati is mudaf and mudaf ilay also. Ailatu khalati, aunt's family. Ailatu khalati, aunt's family. Khalatu mahirin, mahir's aunt. So khala is mudaf ilay for Aila and khala is mudaf for mahir. Tilka ailatu khalati mahirin, that is mahir's aunt's family. That is family of mahir's aunt. Zalika ibnu ammi bahain. This is also two mudaf and mudaf ilay. And ammi, ibnu ammi. Ibnu ammi, father of uncle. So ibnu is mudaf, ammi is mudaf ilay. Ammu bahain, Baha's uncle. So here ammi is mudaf and bahain is mudaf ilay. That is son of Uncle Baha. That is son of Uncle Baha. Ha zabnu ammi bahain. That is son of Uncle Baha. Hal anta ibnu ukhti adilin. Ibnu ukhti. Ibnu is mudaf. Ukhti is mudaf ilay. Ukhti adilin. Ukhti is mudaf and adilin is mudaf ilay. So ukhti is mudaf and mudaf ilay here. Ukhti for mudaf ilay for ibnu and ukhti mudaf for adil. Are you daughter of Adil? Ibnu ukhti. Ibnu Ukhti Adil, are you nephew of Adil? Are you nephew of Adil? Zawjatu man hazihi. Whose wife is this? Man is constant, we have learned. Zawjatu, man is mudaf ilayh, it is constant, never change. Zawjatu man hazi, whose wife is this? Hazihi zawjatu Khalidin. This is Khalid's wife. Walidatu man hazihi, hazihi walidatu Malikin. This is Malik's wife. Now we learn about the Abu and Akhu. This one we already have learned that when Abu and Akhu, they are the mudaf, they take an extra vowel. So it is Abuka, your father. Abu Hamidin, Hamid's father. Akhu Hamidin, Hamid's brother. Akhuka, your brother. Abi, my brother. Abi, my father. Abuka, your father. Abu Hamidin, Hamid's father. When it is with the third person, it don't take kasra. It don't take an extra vowel. Kaifa abuka? Abi bi khairin walhamdulillahi. My father is fine. Kaifa abuka? How is your father? How is your father? Abi bi khairin. My father is fine. Walhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Kaifa akhuka? Akhu, your brother. Akhu, brother. Akhu is mudaf here. And ka is mudaf ilay. Kaifa akhuka? How is your brother? Akhi bi khairin. My brother is fine, alhamdulillah. Man anta, who are you? Ana Abu Sa'adin. I am father of Saad. Abu Sa'adin, an extra vowel taking here. Abu is mudaf, Sa'adin is mudaf ilay. Haza abi, this is my father. Wa haza abuka, and this is your father. Wa zalika Abu Nabilin, and that is Nabil's father. So here Abu is mudaf. Abu is mudaf, and ya mutakallam, ya is mudaf ilay, ka is mudaf ilay, and Nabil is mudaf ilay here. Haza akhi, this is my brother. Akhi is mudaf, akh is mudaf, and ye is mudaf ilay. Wa haza akhuka, and this is your brother. Akhuka, your brother. Akhu is mudaf, and ki is mudaf ilay. Wa haza akhuki, and this is your brother. Wa zalika akhu Munirin, and that is Munir's brother. Akhu Munirin, Munir's brother. Haza Shakirun, this is Shakir. Wa zalika akhuhu, and this is his brother. Akhuhu, his brother. Akhu is mudaf, and who, his is mudaf ilay here. Wa hazihi nahlatu, and this is nahla. Wa zalika abuha, and that is her father. Abu is mudaf, ha is mudaf ilay. Her father, and that is her father. Min aina abuki. Min aina abuki, where is your, from where is your father? Abu mudaf, ki is mudaf ilay. Abi min al Hindi, my father is from India. Man akhuki, who is your brother? Akhi Mansurun, my brother is Mansur. Abu man haza, who is your father? Haza Abu Hasanin. Abu man haza, whose father is this? Whose father is this? Haza Abu Hasanin, this is Hasan's father. Akhu man haza, whose brother is this? Haza Akhu Mahirin, this is Maher's brother. And this is same with the Ladaya Sittatu Ikhwatin. Sittatu is mudaf. Ikhwatin is mudaf ilay. I have 6 brothers. Was sittu ikhwatin, and 6 sisters. I have 6 brothers and 6 sisters. Okay, let me check if anything is here. Something. Okay. you note here. This is akhbirni an abi fadin. This is very important point. Haza Abu Saadin. This is Saad's father. This is father of Saad. Abu Saadin, father of Saad. Haza Akhu Saadin. This is brother of Saad. Akhbirni an abi fadin. Because of an. Because of an. Abu is in a nominative case. This is nominative case. This is majroor. This abi mean not my father. This abi mean is not my father. Because of an, it is majroor and it means father. Akhbirni an abi fadin. Tell me about the Fahad's father. This is Fahad's father, father of Fahad. Father of Fahad. When Abu is mudaf ilay, when Abu is mudaf ilay, then it will be in this case Abi.